Hi everybody, and welcome to today's dieselducy.com padlock demonstration. Today's padlock is an exciting one indeed. It's an old master bike lock, model 5517, and we're going to unbox it and operate it for you right here on camera. Now, you might be wondering, while I open this, why did I call this a dieselducy.com padlock demonstration? Sounds a little strange, doesn't it? Well, this padlock happens to come to me courtesy of one dieselducy. Dieselducy. This was a gift from Andrew. So we're going to demo it for you right here on camera. As you can see, it has the classic Style Master logo. This bike lock we assume is from either the 1950s or the 1960s. But this is a new old stock. This one's never been used. It's just the box is a little worn. See there, key says Master. It's an old lever tumbler padlock. Which in today's terms, one snip with a pair of bolt cutters and this would be history. But back then they didn't have to worry about such things. So let's operate it for you. Slide the key on in there. Get this so y'all can see it. And there it is. This is an old padlock, so it's not the double ball bearing style. But if you look, you can see the latch right there that this mates with. As I say, it wouldn't take anybody nowadays anything to pop this open. Let's open it for you a couple more times here on camera, and then we'll call it a day. Oops, there we go. Do that one more time. This was a good lock for its day, but nowadays, not so much. Somebody would have this off of your bike in seconds flat. Probably wouldn't even need the bolt cutters. So there you have it. One master bike padlock, or bike lock, model 5517. It's long enough to get through a bike. Show you the back here. Get that so you can see it. Courtesy of dieselducy. That's all I've got for you. Thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed it.